We're coming to the end of summer and only have a couple months left in our growing season. You might be growing your fall garden now, or maybe you're looking ahead and thinking about what to plant for next season. In the interest of helping to answer that question, I've partnered with Survival Garden Seeds, a company that's working towards helping gardeners reach self-reliance and sustainability. Survival Garden Seeds offers GMO-free, open-pollinated heirloom seeds of many varieties, so you can pick and choose what you want to grow in your garden. But they also offer several seed collections, providing a great variety of vegetables and beneficial plants for gardens of all sizes. For example, there's the Home Garden Collection with 30 different seed varieties. There's also the Homesteader Collection with 50 different varieties. There's the Farmer Collection with 100 different seed packs, and the Ultimate Medicinal Collection, which has 36 different seed packs of medicinal herbs. There are several other collections to choose from, but if you use my link in the description below, you'll have a 10% discount off the 4 collections already mentioned. If you have kids getting interested in gardening, or maybe you're just getting started yourself, you might be interested in Survival Garden Seeds Kids Easy Garden Collection, a package of 6 easy-to-grow seeds to help any gardener get started. This collection includes provider beans, which is a bush bean variety, so you don't need to provide any sort of supports for them to grow on. It also includes butter crunch lettuce. Lettuce is always a nice, easy, cool weather crop to grow. National pickling cucumbers, Sugar Daddy snap peas, and this variety is a bushy vining variety that doesn't really need trellises to support it. Genovese basil, which is one of my favorite basil varieties. We grow this year after year. And French breakfast radishes. Radishes are always an easy to grow crop that produces quickly. In addition to the 4 previously mentioned collections, the kids collection will also be discounted if you use my link. If you had a garden over the last few years, you might remember a time during the pandemic when garden seeds became hard to get. Supplies ran short, and it became a question of not just what you were going to plant, but whether you'd be able to get the seed. Survival Garden Seed can provide a hedge against this issue in the future in a few different ways. First, the seed collections are shipped in sealed, reusable bags. So when stored properly, the seeds can be viable from 3 to 8 years and maybe even longer. To hedge against future shortages, you can purchase 1 package to plant now and 1 package to store for the future. But real sustainability involves the ability to plant your garden year after year without having to continue buying seeds. In what seems to me to be an interesting approach for a company that sells seed, Survival Garden Seeds actively supports seed saving. The seeds are heirloom, so unless there's cross-pollination from related plants nearby, the seeds that you save will grow plants that are true to the original. Every seed packet from Survival Garden Seeds has seed saving instructions right on the back. And the resealable container that the seeds came in can be used to store your seed for the next season. I mentioned that you can get 10% discounts on some collections if you use my link. But Survival Garden Seeds has a site-wide 15% Labor Day sale coming up from September 2nd through September 8th. I'd appreciate if you would bookmark my link from the description below and use it to go to the site to shop and order your seeds. During the Labor Day sale, the 15% discount will override the 10% that I can offer, but using my link will help to support this channel. And I appreciate that. Besides the seed packets and collections, Survival Garden Seeds website provides a lot of resources for the gardener. They have growing guides, a seed planting calendar, and multiple articles with helps for gardening. Use the link in the description to check out the website and see what's available. Speaking of gardening resources, check out this video I made last year with Clyde Majerus of Clyde's Garden Planner. Or you might check out this video that YouTube has selected especially for you. Thank you to those who support this channel via Patreon. I really appreciate your support, and if you're not already a Patreon member, I would really appreciate if you would join the community. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.